Hello, hello! So during this quarantine, I've been obsessed with fruits and healthy eating. So I bought some mango and I bought a pineapple and realized that I had never cut either one. These are not fruits that are just intuitively known how to cut them. So if you want some tips on how to cut your mango or have never cut a mango, keep watching. First, mangoes are not symmetrical, so you want to go ahead and slice your mango into 3 different parts. Don't mind my quarantine nails. Next, take the first part and cut vertical and horizontal lines, creating a beautiful dice effect. Then go ahead and slice the dice right into your bowl. Easy peasy. Now take the big portion and find a soft spot. Once you hit the soft spot, go ahead and slice and dice right into your bowl. And you're done. Mmm.